Yo, what's up, my ninjas? How's everybody doing? Um, Today, you know, we got more snow coming. I don't know what to say. I mean, it's been a long time since we've had snowstorms in April, but it is what it is, you know. So, um, I'm dealing with a active claim right now where I'm dealing with the landlord, and based on the photos that I can see, the tenants have a ton of property damage. So I wanted to talk about the perspective of the renter. So today's insurance tip number 04052018. Yo, Sammy Chan, Claim Ninja. I am a renter. My landlord says he has insurance on the house that I am renting. That's good enough for me, right? Um, Definitely not. The landlord in most cases has a little bit of personal property insurance, but that's for his stuff. The gas range, sometimes the refrigerator, things like that would be, a laundry machine, washer, dryer. That would go on the landlord's property, right? But as a tenant, you need to have a renter's insurance policy. They're very, very cheap, maybe $100, $200 a year, but it protects you for all of your personal contents, which is what you really need to have. Now, I would say more than 5 times out of 10, the renters do not have insurance. And their reasoning is, well, no one made it mandatory for me. And that's really not a good enough reason but it's just not advertised enough. But everybody should have a renter's insurance policy if you are a renter. It covers your stuff, right? And I found that renters sometimes have more personal contents than homeowners because they're not paying a mortgage. They just got a lot of stuff, you know. The other thing is sometimes it could be cleaning your stuff, or let's say the place that you're renting is rendered unlivable because of the property damage. Well, guess what? Sometimes the cost of moving all your stuff to your new place or the replacement housing would be covered in your renter's policy. And the other thing is you get replacement housing. So let's say the place that you're renting is not usable for 1 month, 2 months, but you really like your place, you want to come back. Your landlord isn't going to pay you for replacement housing. You're going to need to, excuse, sorry about that. You're going to need to, the landlord's not going to cover your replacement housing. He has loss of rental income on his policy, but it doesn't have relocating your renters. So there's a lot of coverage that's missed out. On a renter's policy, you can insure jewelry, you can insure electronics, you can insure a lot of different things, and you want to do that. If you're having trouble finding a renter's policy, Deneen, a friend of mine, asked, what's a good renter's policy? MetLife writes really good renter's insurance. I would say Amica Mutual also. And these are all my standard answers that, New Jersey manufacturers, if you're a state or public or employee, if you have some sort of affiliation. The other ones, Philadelphia Contributionship, I'm pretty sure they write renter's insurance. So there's a lot of good options, but you need to get renter's insurance and you need to get it right away. It's super duper important. So please, and I'm going to do a separate video for the landlords to explain why your renters should have insurance. But predominantly, landlords just need to, because sometimes you feel bad that your renters didn't have any coverage. Well, if they have to go out of pocket because none of their damage was covered, they're not going to be able to pay your rent on time, and that's a big deal. So, all right, everybody have a great night, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.